In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide your activity status on Facebook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is go over to your Facebook application. You can do on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. Now, once you're here, all you got to do is on the top left, go ahead and press the three lines. But I'm on my page right now, so I'm going to make sure on my normal profile. Then on the top left, go ahead to the three lines, and then you're going to see settings and privacy as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that, and then just go over to settings, which is going to be the first option under settings and privacy anyway. And now all you want to do is go over to, you're going to see a lot of different things, but you're going to see audience and visibility as one of the sections. And within audience and visibility, the final option you're going to see is active status. Go ahead and click on that. And then basically, if you want to hide it, literally just go ahead and make sure it looks like how I have it, where it's toggled off. Because if it's toggled on like this, people are going to be able to see when you're active. So just turn it off like this. It's going to say turn off active status. You won't be able to see when your friends and contacts are active or have been recently active. Then go ahead and press it and you'll be good to go.